Hey everybody, thanks so much for tuning into Young Money Investments. My name is Cameron Benyon, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about a couple things that I feel like are very important to success in life, in business, and being a successful individual. So right now it is currently 11:59 on Wednesday. So this video is going to go out tomorrow. As you can see, I just got back from work a little bit ago. I've been eating. Filmed this video once already, but the sound quality was really poor. I tried to use my Apple AirPods, and these are garbage if you're trying to film videos. Just so you know, don't ever try these. Super cool, super great for the gym, not good for filming YouTube videos. So just a little quick hint. Today, the reason I wanted to talk about this video is because I have been doing pretty bad lately in terms of selling. So kind of having to refresh, kind of reset, and kind of realize that it's not that I'm not working hard, trying to kind of go through the mental checklist of what's causing these issues in being able to sell. It's not like I'm doing horrible. But I'm not doing what I'm used to and what I'm normally throwing in one or two in a day and staying consistent. Trying to do those things and just realizing that I need to continue to work hard. So the two things I want to go over for stocks as well as sales and things like that is persistence, hard work, and believing in yourself are three things that I really wanted to talk about today. The reason is because whether you're trading or whether you are selling, as you all probably know, I work for ADT. This is all backwards with the way the camera is. And I've done this for 4 years now. There's been a lot of guys that have come through these doors and end up leaving after their first year. I did not want to be that guy. I wanted to stay very consistent, and I had reason and I had a need to be out here and make money, because this job is what has translated into the ability I've had to continue to invest, to continue to put more money in stocks, and continue to grow my account. Without this job, I would not be where I am today. But I've seen a lot of guys that have come through these doors, and I've seen a lot of them that were very intelligent individuals, that were very smart, that were very, had a lot of talent, I should say. And I've watched them as they've come in and they've come out. And the biggest thing that I think I would take, there's been guys that I've hired and guys that have left that I've hired. And the biggest take that I've gotten from those that continue to stick with this and continue to excel are those that are persistent. They don't get down on themselves. They continue to believe in themselves, even in the sight or in the dead heat of adversity that they're facing. So, it's not easy, whether it be stocks or whether it be sales. You're going to go through hard times. You're going to go through difficulties in your life. I mean, today we were in the office doing a training, and one of the guys, Dan, was just saying, that I'm finally getting my upper body size back. I'm joking around with me and screwing around because, my arms, if you notice, the left one definitely is bigger. And it has been so hard. It has been so hard to stay consistent at the gym and fight through the pain and some of the difficulties, trying to judge it right, where I'm growing, but I'm, not pushing it too far where I'm going to re-injure myself and hurt myself. And those are difficulties and trials in life that I think all of us will face in one way, shape, or form, whether it be physical, whether it be mental, whether it be emotional. We all go through these kind of roller coasters and trials in our lives. And so what I wanted to kind of bring up, and I wanted to kind of bring my sales background into trading, is a lot of you are just starting out. A lot of you are new investors. A lot of you have not ridden the waves of the highs and lows and kind of seen how difficult this can be. And so I wanted to just relay this thought process to you, that this journey that you're beginning on is not easy. It's not something that everyone can do. You're going into an industry where 90% of all traders got him. Okay, this is gonna be ridiculous. So this is on video. That was it. I got that. Caught that thing. Third time's a charm. Persistence. Sticking to it. And I promise you, I'm not making this up for the video. I did just get him on the third try. Being persistent. You don't always get something your first try, your second try, or your third try. But sometimes you do get your third try, and that's always a nice feeling. I just want to be able to relay that to you, that trading is going to take a lot of time. Every day we ride out right now to Lake Charles, and we are going out an hour and 15 minutes, an hour and 20 minutes away from home. What I do with that time is I spend it learning. I spend it watching stock videos. I spend it watching YouTube videos and learning from other individuals. And if you're not doing that, if you're not utilizing your time right, this is not a career that you're going to be successful in. The only reason that I believe that I've been successful in this, and really even selling, is that I've been consistent. I've put in the work. I've put in the time. I eat, sleep, and breathe trading, selling, and going to the gym. I mean, those are like the three bread and butter things that define kind of who I am and who make me feel great. I mean, I've had to learn that those things aren't what make me me. It's what's inside. But at the same time, yeah, you can take away the gym from me, while I was injured. Yeah, you could potentially take away trading from me. Yeah, you could take away sales from me. And we're gonna have to learn to be happy and be grateful for what I have. But those three things are my outlets. And as you can turn these things in your life that maybe you want to be good at into things that make you who you are, define who you are, you will succeed at that, because that's all you got. At the end of the day, that is all you got. And that's what investing is for me. That's what selling is for me. That's what the gym is for me. So find those passions. Maybe your passions aren't those things. You're just watching this video because you know me and you want to see what I'm doing in my life. But at the end of the day, that's just the advice and the things that I've been thinking about. Is I've been struggling recently to find my pitch, to find my relationships with customers. And so that's all I wanted to say. That's all I have right now. Hopefully your days are going well. If you have anything you want to talk about, leave it down in the comment section. I am so grateful that I get this opportunity to share my life with you, what I'm doing, what's going on. Thanks so much for watching Young Money Investments. My name is Cameron, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.